I feel Manco is a diverse supplier adjusting to the market's needs.
Manco Window Systems is unique in that we are really both an aluminum company and a glass company.
The quality of our equipment that we buy to produce the product, but the product and quality control that we have on the floor to review product before it goes out the door.
Welcome to Manco, a fully custom aluminum and glass fabricator started in 1989 to furnish contract glazing companies with a reliable, efficient source of projected and fixed commercial windows. Since our humble beginnings, Manco has grown to over 300 employees with sales in over 20 states. Our current product line features over 30 types of commercial window systems, 12 types of entrance doors, 5 storefronts, and 2 curtain wall systems, and we're still expanding. Let's take a look and learn more about how it all happens. It all starts at the float glass manufacturer. Manco receives its glass from manufacturers around the nation. These plants are often strategically located near silica sand mines. Silica sand is a key ingredient. The 2 other glass ingredients are soda ash and recycled glass cullet. Recycled glass is an important ingredient in glass manufacturing and reduces the otherwise wasted glass. The ingredients are mixed in the melting pot. Here the individual components are heated and blended into one compound. Molten glass is drawn from the melting pot onto a conveyor called the tin bath ribbon. This is the standard technology application for all float glass products. Annealing is a process of slowly cooling the glass to relieve internal stresses after it was formed. The process may be carried out in a temperature-controlled kiln known as a leer. After the glass has traveled through the annealing leer, it is cut to size. Various sizes and thicknesses are available for shipping. Like the glass, the aluminum that Manco uses for fabrication is provided by various companies nationwide. The aluminum components that are provided to Manco are typically a combination of pure aluminum ingot and recycled aluminum. The 2 components are melted and formed into extrusion billet shapes. The billet is forced through dies into the extruder to form the desired shape. The resulting aluminum extrusion is then stretched, cut, and tempered to Manco's specification. Extrusions are then moved to packaging where they are grouped, wrapped, and shipped to Manco Window Systems. From the float plant, glass is shipped in 4,000-pound packs per glass type and thickness. Once the shipment arrives at our plant, it is then unloaded onto glass storage racks via the overhead crane. The glass storage racks have pre-assigned locations for later retrieval by the Bilco automated machine and retrieval system. The glass is retrieved from the storage racks automatically by the Bilco retrieval system and overhead crane. This system uses multiple suction cups to safely transport large sheets of glass. The glass is then transferred from the retrieval crane onto the offload table.
This is the cutting line department. This is where all the glass is cut to go to the different sub-department in the glass department.
From this point, it is moved automatically to the cutting station. Diamond glass cutting wheels are attached to the machine bridge. Using precision pressure, the glass is scored in locations that are based on the size and shape. This process is directed by the computer.
Triangles, they'll cut squares, they'll cut circles, they'll cut semicircles, they'll cut arch shapes, cathedral windows like in a church.
Once scored, the glass is transferred to the breakout table. It is here the glass is broken into the size or shape required to begin fabrication.
We can enter into our computer and cut it from down here on the floor. If our patterns will not handle that type of glass pattern, we can have our drafting department design it for us.
All cut glass is inserted into slot rails. A computer production software package predetermines which rack and slot the glass will be placed in. After the glass has been cut, the fabrication process begins. Seaming is done prior to tempering. Glass seaming reduces the glass breaking during the tempering process. The glass is then washed and transferred into the furnace. It is heated to a tempering temperature and then cooled very quickly to produce safety glass. This technology has improved drastically through the years, but heated glass will still contain some distortion. Spandrel glass is first tempered. Once the tempering process is complete, the glass enters the spandrel line, where a silicone-based paint is applied. The paint is roll-coated and then thermally cured in an oven. This adds the adhesion strength to meet fallout protection codes. Polishing, hole drilling, and notching glass is achieved by using a 4-vet CNC machine.
This machine is our 4-vet. It's a CNC shower door. Tabletops, desktops. It'll cut out, mill out. It'll put slots, holes for like if you want a slot for your calculator on your desktop.
This machine operates off of DFX files that are downloaded for precision fabrication. Insulated glass is produced on a vertical assembly line. This line is completed with an inspection station for cleaning, thus ensuring quality. The dual seal process is applied automatically to ensure maximum unit lifespan.